me pull it up. So
Oh, it's all good. I think you put your camera on. Look what just came to the party. Oh my. Yo, this joint right here is nasty. Like a spaceship.
you want to trade? Hell no. How do you fit there?
Talk about appearance. Street races. That joint nasty.
You can tell if he's in the flow. Alright, y'all, so we got this blue Mustang and that McLaren over there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the McLaren over there, apparently the two Hellcats, they take it forever or whatnot. So, man, this video is sponsored by AAA. No, I'm just playing, let me stop. But this joint just pulled it right here, sounded real nasty. I don't even like Camaros, but it sounds nasty. But yeah, so apparently this one is twin turbo from Texas, you feel me? Straight from Texas. So in the meantime, while we waiting on the two Hellcats, we gonna switch to this race right here. They gonna get this one popping. So we got, apparently this dude, this car versus that one right there. You're about to get it on, yup. Here we go. They headed out. Bye, my children. Have a good day at school. Be safe. All right, so this is the second or the first race that went out with this Mustang right here and that McLaren over there. So let's go get the verdict on how this one went and see how this one went. I didn't put my GoPro. I put my GoPro on the Hellcat race, so we'll see. Just like sit there and like he would get out two cars on me and I was just like fuck. What do I do from there? You know what I mean? That wasn't my own hour. And we did it twice. You just sit there, like a flat spot? Yeah, like literally like I wasn't on the fucking boost, like I'm not seeing boost on the gauge. Like then she just like what the fuck are you doing? Go! How long are you holding it for? Just until I saw like 8 pounds on there. 8 pounds of boost. And it still wouldn't fucking go. 2 times in a row. What's it set at? I mean, it runs up to fucking boost controller. I know you have to stay on for kind of a second to get it. I'd probably go. Maybe I just did.
Alright guys, so I'm editing this video. It's like 4:50 at this point. I realized there's not a lot of commentary in this video, so let me just tell y'all like what's going on or whatnot. So the McLaren, the McLaren and the Mustang, they had already locked in a race, I guess online or whatnot. So the Mustang was already there. The McLaren just pulled up and they went over, just confirmed everything, and that was that. Boom. Right? They were gonna wait until the two Hellcats went out first, and then they would follow. But the Hellcats were taking too long with getting their money together and stuff like that, so they just headed out. That being said, they took like forever to come back. Like, we thought they had went home, right? Because the Hellcats, they finally got their money together like 30 minutes later. Then they all headed out. 10 minutes later, the Hellcats come back. And we're like, dang, so what happened to the McLaren and the Mustang? Like, what? So, the Hellcats, they do whatever they gotta do. And so the McLaren and Mustang finally come back. And all of a sudden, nobody wants to give out footage. Like, what? Like, what's going on? Luckily, I got it from a buddy of mine that I met there. He had went out with them and was able to get at least some type of video or some type of footage as to what happened when they went out. Granted, it's not, well, unfortunately, it's not as good as a video as like the GoPros that was on the car or whatnot, but it's still something that we could go off of. Obviously, the McLaren won by a lot. When they got back, the Mustang guy was just going off on how his boost controller wasn't working, his anti-lag wasn't working. He was leaving too slow. He couldn't build boost, which is all, I guess, legitimate things, I guess. He said he's been having these problems all week or whatnot. So that's why the outcome was the outcome. Now, mind you, the McLaren is upgraded turbos and I think tuned something else. But I mean, it probably might have been a good race if both cars were working right. As far as money goes, they was only betting 1,000, 500 each side. So it was driver to driver, nobody else put in or anything like that. I tried to get the footage from the GoPros. Like I said, it was lost footage. People's phone was about to die. He didn't want to give it out. Video was too long to just a whole bunch of excuses or whatever. So, yeah, that was that. So, I just thought I should give y'all a little bit of context or something about what happened in this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay? Like, please. Can you? It's free. You feel me? It's free. Free 99, my favorite word. You feel me? So, yeah, just subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for more. I'm about to go to bed. I'll see you later. Peace.